Are you ready to advance your career with sought-after skills in today's competitive world? Currently, 85% of jobs require solid business and communication skills, no matter the industry. Whether you are just starting or aiming for the next level, business skill courses can help you witness career success. Whether you are in finance, healthcare, technology, or launching your own business, mastering these skills will empower you to adapt and succeed. Earn competitive salaries more than ever as professionals with business skills earn up to 30% higher than others. Become valuable to employers, secure promotions, and take on roles that are unreachable before. Achieve your career goals with our business skill-based video training courses that are short, online, and interactive with industry-focused knowledge. Add these recognized courses to your resume and enjoy endless opportunities. So, why wait? Learn valuable business skills with Inspire London College today and lead the business world with confidence.